How do you find and replace text in only word headers? Imagine working on a long document and needing to change a word only in the headers. It might sound tricky, but there are clear ways to do this in Microsoft Word. Let's walk through how you can target just the headers for your find and replace tasks. First, the basic find and replace feature in Word searches the entire document, including the main text, headers, and footers. It doesn't have a built-in option to limit searches to headers alone. So, if you want to change text only in headers, you need to use some specific methods. One simple way is to manually go into each header. You can click the top margin of your page or go to the Insert tab and select Header and then Edit Header. Once you're inside the header, press Ctrl plus the letter H to open the Find and Replace dialog box. Here, you can type the word you want to find and the new word you want to replace it with. After making your changes, click Replace or Replace All. Repeat this process for each section if your document has multiple headers. This method works well for small documents but can be slow if you have many sections. Another approach is to use the Find feature with the navigation pane. Press Ctrl plus F to open the search box. In the drop-down menu, choose Headers and Footers as your search scope. This will locate all instances of your search term in headers and footers. However, replacing text here isn't automatic. You will need to go through each instance and replace it manually or use the Replace option if available. For larger documents or multiple headers, automating the process is best. You can do this with a macro, which is a small script that runs inside Word. To create one, press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor. Then, you can write or copy a macro that loops through each section of your document, finds the header, and performs the find and replace operation within that header only. This method saves time and ensures consistency across all headers. Remember, macros can be powerful but should be used carefully. Always save a backup of your document before running macros to prevent accidental data loss. In summary, manually editing headers one by one is simple but slow. Using the Find feature with the navigation pane helps locate text, and macros provide the most efficient way to replace text across multiple headers automatically. Knowing these options can make your editing process much smoother and more precise.